Time differences. Sounds easy. Often people make mistakes. Worth taking your time and getting it right. Worth getting these marks. So basically we're going to fill in all the gaps in this table. So what's going to go here, here, etc. And I do very strongly recommend grab some scrap paper and a pen or pencil. Okay, it's going to help you so much to just jot down some working. Okay, here's how I'm working through it. Here's what I mean by jot down some working. I want to start there. I want to finish there and figure out how long that took me between those two. So let's do it. Let's start at 04:35 and I'm aiming for 10:08. So my first question is, let's just try and go there and make it simple. Let's get me an easy number that's close to the answer. I'm aiming for 10:08. I'm aiming for 10:08. So the closest I can get by just adding hours is 9:35. Why have I chosen that? Well, because it's exactly plus 5 hours to get from there to there. Okay, that's the closest I can get just using hours. Then I'm going to try and get to the whole number, the nice easy round number. I'm going to try and get to 10 o'clock before hitting my target finally of 10:08. So break it down step by step. Make it easy for yourself. Right, 35, got to count up to 60. 35 plus what makes 60, because 60 minutes is one whole hour to get me to here. So 35, if it was 30, it would be plus 30. It's less than that. It's 35 plus 25 mins will get me to 10 o'clock. And obviously from 10 o'clock to 10:08 is quite an easy one, right? That's obviously plus 8 minutes there. So altogether, what's my duration I'm looking at? 5 hours, and in total 33 minutes. Adding together the minutes, my duration I'm looking for here is 5 hours and 33 minutes. Good. Promise you some more examples. So here's one where I know where I'm starting, I know how long I'm going for, I have no clue yet when I'm going to end. So this one's actually probably even easier in a way. So let's think about it. So if I'm going to start at 09:57, right, I'm going to work out when I end. And the idea is to add on, first of all, 4 hours and then 31 minutes. So let's do that. So plus 4 hours. What am I going to get to? 9 plus 4 is 13:57. Now, yeah, that's 1:57, but I don't really need to know that. All I need to know is just add on 4 to 9 and get 13. We're working 24-hour clock. It's easier. Okay, so 31 minutes. Well, I'm going to go past the next hour. What is the next hour? That's going to be 1400, 2 o'clock, but just think of it as 1400. Okay, add 3 minutes to get to there. So how many minutes have I got left? Add some more minutes. How many minutes have I got left to get me to my target duration of 4 hours 31? So I've got 4 hours. I've got 3 mins. So what I'm going to need to add is actually going to be 28 more minutes. Why? 3 and 28 together makes my 31 minutes duration. Okay, that's really easy now. Okay, so 1400 plus 28 minutes, 14:28. There is my end time. That's what I wanted to get. Okay, right. So this one here, working out this mystery gap. Same idea, but working backwards. First of all, take off your 4 hours, then take off the 24 minutes, and then see what I've got left. Okay, so let me spell that out. We started from 1624. Okay, we started from 1624. Take off 4 hours apparently, and we'll get down to 1224. So what I'm saying is 1224 is where I end up with after having taken away 4 hours. Take away why? Because that's the end time, and I'm trying to go back to work out the start time here. Okay, so I'm going to then take off 24 minutes. Why? Because if I take off 24 minutes, life is easy. Take off 24 minutes and I'm at 12 o'clock. All you have to do now is work out how many minutes left to take off. Another 7 minutes will get me to my answer. Okay, take off another 7 minutes and we'll get to my answer.